Before we get into the video, check the description and join our daily giveaways.
A convention called Polkadot interfaces blockchains, empowering the exchange of riches and information between beforehand contrary organizations like Ethereum and Bitcoin. Being adaptable and quick is likewise expected. The digital currency can be sold or bought on Coinbase and other trade stages and is utilized for marking and administration. On the off chance that you are hoping to put resources into Polkadot, the aid underneath could assist you with settling on your choice. What is Polkadot, DOT? In the same way as other post-Bitcoin digital currencies, Polkadot is a decentralized convention and a symbolic that can be exchanged or bought on trades like Coinbase. The Polkadot conventions are made to safely associate detached blockchains so information or worth can move between, for example, the Bitcoin and Ethereum blockchains without requiring a middle person. Utilizing various equal blockchains, frequently known as parachains, which are utilized to offload the handling interest from the essential blockchain, it is likewise expected to be speedy and versatile. Inside the Polkadot organization, the Polkadot tokens, DOT, have two principal utilizes. First and foremost, administration tokens give proprietors a say in the convention's bearing. Besides, it is likewise used to stake, through which the Polkadot network confirms exchanges and creates another dot. On trades like Coinbase, you can trade under your money growth strategy. Polkadot, DOT, technical analysis. Exchanging a descending triangle is a commonplace exchange arrangement. A breakout, which for the most part happens to the negative, ought to be expected in such a situation. For DOT, when the cost dips under the basic $15 mark, it can flag a downtrend. Dropping, a triangle design is the manner by which the cost is at present exchanging. A breakout ordinarily occurs toward the latest thing. Most merchants will enter an exchange once the triangle's main concern is broken with more volume, so, all in all, the cost ought to fall by some comparing to the triangle's broadest part. Trend, all time spans are on a descending pattern, short, medium and long term. MACD line, if it keeps on remaining over the MACD signal line, bullish, the RSI ought to be under 50 assuming you are effective financial planning. OBV, on balance volume, flat, implying that the volume on all over the place days is equivalent. Thusly, purchaser and vendor interest and supply equilibrium might be seen. Polkadot fundamental analysis. A local cache of the Polkadot convention, which expects to offer interoperability to the blockchain business by interfacing profits, public and confidential chains, and different advances in the crypto area into a solitary web, is Polkadot, DOT. Polkadot's improvement started in 2016, and the organization authoritatively appeared in May 2020. One of its makers is the previous CTO of Ethereum, Gavin Wood. With so many blockchains competing for matchless quality, Polkadot's group started with a direct speculation, what might occur on the off chance that there was no obvious victor. To permit the numerous blockchains to coincide, Polkadot fostered an answer as opposed to joining the race. This is made conceivable by three vital variables: Polkadot transfer chain, which is urgent to the Polkadot biological system. It joins all that while additionally giving security. Parachains, otherwise called equal chains, are independent, yet connected to the handoff, blockchains that might be leased by different tasks for use in their applications. Bridges that take into account availability with other blockchains. The Polkadot network is safeguarded by the Agreement Convention-nominated Proof of Stake, NPS. This implies that the nominators should initially pick reliable validators. Approval and designation both require the marking of DOT tokens. SPEC is likewise utilized as an administration token to interface new parachains. SPEC, Polkadot price. Polkadot is as of now worth $7.30. SPEC has moved -6.04% as of now with an exchanging volume of $504,918,657. Polkadot is as of now positioned 11 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $8,176,814,422 US dollars. Using the overall strength list, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal combination uniqueness, MACD. From the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Polkadot, DOT, to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Polkadot, DOT, Price Prediction 2022. Polkadot, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year, DOT. The DOT cost figure for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to $10.94. Similarly as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be steady, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $10.21 in cost is very aggressive, however it is attainable soon given expected joint efforts and headways. DAB is supposed to have a base worth of $8.75. Polkadot, DOT, Price Prediction 2023. In 2023, Polkadot cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of DOT will before long outperform $18.23. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold on to check whether the DOT's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, DOT will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $14.58 and a typical exchanging cost of $16.04. Polkadot, DOT, Price Prediction 2024. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $25.52 and DOT might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Spot is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $23.33 and a low of $21.88 in 2024. Polkadot, DOT, Price Prediction 2025. Assuming that Polkadot effectively helps market opinion among cryptographic money fans, the DOT coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, DOT will be green in 2025. The DOT is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $32.81, with a base cost of $29.17 and a typical cost of $30.63. Polkadot, DOT, Price Prediction 2026. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the DOT cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 30